Residents of Union District in Frankfield, Clarendon are still trying to come to terms with the brutal killing of a senior citizen in the community. The woman, who was killed in what initial observations suggest may have been a sexual crime. We have the details in this report.
This is where 64-year-old Hyacinth Johnson lived for decades. And as a devout Christian, it is where she expected to take her last breath until the Lord called her home. But not in this way. The caution tape and police detectives in her yard tell the story of her demise. An unknown attacker inflicted several stab wounds to her chest and left her to die. And from the early indications, the attacker appeared to have also sexually violated her. The body was found partially nude.
Yes, it is really shocking. Everybody, it was just everybody cried. Everybody was crying from morning. You cry for June and you cry because you have never heard anything like this, and cry because it's June, because nobody could believe that somebody would do that to June.
She was last seen after church fasting on Monday. Her church brethren sensed something was wrong when she didn't turn up for the usual Tuesday prayer service last night.
One of the members said to me, "Pastor, we don't see June this morning." I said, maybe June is taking my advice because she had a major operation the other day. And the journey that she has to travel to reach church, and the road is not good. I said to her, look here, God will give you head to wear hat only. He give you head to think. So I'm not saying you mustn't come to church, but wait a little. Don't do it so often. Wait a little until you heal up a little better. She's one of those members who don't absent from church. Every time the door open, June is there. Every time we are going out to visit other churches, June is the first to be there when nobody else is present.
Detectives have already begun their work to try to find the attacker. Residents, in the meantime, say they are using the incident as a sign to get more vigilant.
This is saying to us, look here, we ought to be closer to each other and look out for one another and keep our eyes open, because something like this happened and we can't say, right now, we can't say we have an idea that maybe it's Harry or Tom, because everybody, I don't see anybody that I could say, wonder if. So this is saying to us, we have to be more focused.
Detectives in the usually quiet northern section of Clarendon have been kept busy recently, following at least 2 killings, including the murder of a math teacher.